Hello, and welcome to the Explain Everything tutorial for teachers. This app is a great tool for teachers to use because it is essentially a smartboard on an iPad. You have unlimited space to work on, and it also connects your students to the lesson. It will allow them to learn using technology, which they have been using for most of their lives. This app is a free downloadable app from the App Store on iPads. Some of the great features on this app is that you may record what you are doing. This will allow you to record steps or solutions to math problems in advance. This way, you will not have to teach the class that lesson. Rather, play the video which you exported to Dropbox or Google Drive. That video can then be uploaded to D2L so that the students may go back and look over the steps. You may spend that time doing whatever you wish, whether it's grading papers or having your daily coffee. If you do not wish to record, you may connect the iPad to a smartboard, and your students will have the opportunity to follow your steps while you give a lesson by watching the smartboard. The app is very simple to use. The symbols are pretty straightforward as well. The pen tool allows you to write or draw on the paper. If you hold down the pen tool, it will allow you to change the thickness of the pen. The colors below will be the colors you may choose, as well as holding down a color will allow you to change the brightness of a color, as well as let you choose a custom color. The hand tool allows you to select what you have drawn or wrote and change its size and position. The rectangle with the arrow gives you a variety of shapes to choose from. The color selected at the bottom will be the color of that shape. If you have trouble with a shape, you may use the undo button to go back. Here, I select a rectangle and increase its border. The movement in your finger will determine the shape and size of the rectangle. As you can see, the hand tool allows you to change the position of the shape, but does not allow you to change the side lengths. The letter A will open up a setting box, which you can then select the font and the size of the font. You may write whatever you wish. The color selected will be the color of the message. Once you press the check mark, you are able to move and resize the message. The unshaded box with the plus symbol in the middle allows you to take or insert videos, photos, files, web pages, and recorded sounds. The X stands for the delete button. When you select an object, you just have to press the red X in the corner to remove it. The Bullseye allows you to select a laser pointer so you may underline or point to a specific part of the screen. This will allow your students to follow along if they are watching from a video or from the smartboard. The open box with the letter I allows you to move objects to the front or back, as well as copy and paste the drawing or writing on the screen. If you have made a mistake, you can either select the eraser, which is available when you click the pen, or the undo button. Clicking on the last rectangle will change the smartboard into full screen mode. This will cause you to lose access to some of the tools. The square separated into two allows you to go back to previous slides. To record, all you have to do is press the record button at the bottom, and anything you do after that will be recorded. You can go back and make sure that everything is recorded the way you want it to. The second box on the bottom right allows you to export the video to many different websites. This is the final product of the video once you have opened it from that website. I hope I have encouraged you to use this app in your class.